Hello and welcome back. Today we're gonna learn, so let's begin. First we will start with a sketch on the XY plane. And now what we will do, we will just draw a rectangle. From the origin, make sure it snaps into the origin, as you can see the square appears, and drag it out. Now we will set its dimensions by using this dimension tool. With this side of 50 and this side of 15 millimeters. Now we will make sure to smooth the angles of the rectangle with 4mm fillets. Make sure to select it one more time. Now we will make the holes for the bolts. We will just eyeball it where the center is. Now we can use a constraint line from this point to this point and set it at 15/2. So it's exactly 7.5 or dead in the middle, because the width is exactly 15 millimeters. Now let's do exactly the same on top and just write 7.5. Great. Now let's just make sure it's about 8 millimeters from each side. And here we go. We got our plate sketched out. So finish sketch. And now click on extrude. Extrude this part by 5 millimeters. And here we go. Now let's modify it. First of all, let's use some chamfer to chamfer the inside by 1 millimeter. But we're going to go back in and also select more edges. Click plus here and just click select. We can select multiple, but in this case we'll just make it 1 millimeter again. What you also could have done, you could went back in and deleted all of them, created the new one, selected 2 edges, and only after that edited to 1 millimeter thickness, and they would have both adjusted. Now let's set the new one, which will make sure to include all of those edges, and we will put it at 0.1. Here we go. Now we got our plate. Thank you and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe.